mirrored surface where everyone spark dance and like a liquid gold and where beauty transforms into pure sensory art. In front of you rests an extraordinary luxury cosmetic collection, a stunning arrangement of tapas inspired wax platters, crystal pigment jars, shimmering powders, elegant pearl handled brushes, and delicate crystal tools designed for the world of luxury and tranquility. Take a moment to admire the colors: golden amber, sunlit honey, soft peach, rose gold, and radiant sunset shimmer reflecting across every surface. Now, watch closely as the fair Brooklyn hands gently enter the scene. Their nails glimmer with molten tapas reflections. Tiny crystals sparkle beneath the warm light. Every moment is graceful, deliberate, elegant. The fingertips slowly approach the first pass wax palette. A gentle tap, another tap, soft rhythm drumming across the vast surface. Each sound delicate, each touch intentional, like tiny echoes inside a place made of crystal and gold. Shh. The hands glide across the wax, feeling every curve, every polished edge, every shimmering detail hidden within the scaffold cosmetic surface. Now the fingertips begin lifting a thin layer, slowly, carefully. A delicate golden skin peels away from the palette. The wax stretches, revealing a glowing inner layer beneath. Hidden amber pigment appear warm and luminous, like captured sunset light. The peel continue longer, slower. The translucent layer curls gently as it separates. The exposed pigments shine beautifully beneath the jewelry like lightning. Now a crystal spatula enters the frame. The blade glides softly against the wax surface. Tiny curls begin to form thin ribbons of shimmering dead pus. Pigment rise from the palette. Each curl catches the light. Each fragment sparkles with gold and amber reflections. The scraping continues, slow and methodical, creating elegant waves of wax. Soon the surface transforms into a landscape, and soon the delicate ribbons and glittering dust. Now the scapulating ribbons, a careful cut, a second cut, a third. The wax separates into a beautiful vectored sections. The maintained gemstone being revealed from within. Hidden layers emerged, brilliant amber, molten honey, gold, rose gold, shimmer, soft peach, reflection. Every slice uncovers a new surprise. Every cut reveals another glowing dimension. The hands gently gather the fragments. Some pieces are left large and crystalline, others are colored, crushed carefully between the fingertips. Soft pressure, a subtle crack, then another. The fragment break apart into sparkling cosmetic particles, tiny pigment crystals scattered across the mirrored surface, creating a breathtaking felt of gold shimmer. creating a delicate moment of the visual and auditory satisfaction. Now crushed crystal fragments are introduced, sparking depots sheared blend into the slime, creating fantastic contrast. Smooth, elastically made crystalline texture softness meets structure, fluidity meets brilliance. The hands stretched the mixtures once more. This time, the shimmering fragments catch the light from every angle. The result is breathing, the living ribbon of luxury, falling and sparking stimulately. The slime folds back into itself. Again, layer upon layer, color upon color, reflection upon reflection, a perfect harmony of movement and beauty. Nearby, the luxury brushes sweep loose pigment into elegant decorative pattern. Crystalline spatula carve flowing lines through the mixture. Pigment dust glimmers across the mirror. Tiny sparkles appear like scattered stars. Every detail contributes to the